Today, we are talking about Wondershare Dr.Fone, one of the most talked about mobile utility toolkits out there, a software that claims to solve almost every problem that can happen to your phone, whether you're locked out after forgetting your screen pattern, struggling with Google's FRP lock, or just want to recover your lost data. Dr.Fone promises to fix it all. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's dive in and find out. So, again, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tech review that actually helps you. Let's kick things off with a quick unboxing and first impression. Now, I know Dr.Fone isn't a physical gadget that you hold in your hand. It's a software, but the experience still starts with setup, and that's like unboxing in digital world. So, here is what happens when you first get Dr.Fone. You download the installer from the official Wondershare site, run it, and within seconds, you are greeted with a clean, modern dashboard. There is no weird clutter, no confusing menus, everything is laid out logically. You have got all the main modules right in front of you. The first look feels reassuring, like opening the lid on something that actually knows what it's doing. Dr.Fone builds itself as an all-in-one mobile solution. And honestly, that's not just marketing speak. This toolkit brings together a huge range of functions that you normally would need multiple apps for. On the main interface, you will find utilities for unlocking screens, bypassing FRP, repairing system issues on both Android and iOS, recovering deleted data, transferring files between phones, and more. Now, let's talk about one of the most important features that brought Dr.Fone into the spotlight: FRP bypass and lock screen unlocking. Factory Reset Protection FRP is a security feature on Android that prevents unauthorized access after a factory reset. Basically, it locks you out if you don't remember the last Google account used on the device. This can be a real nightmare if you buy a second-hand phone or you just forgot your login details. Dr.Fone's Screen Unlock module claims to help you bypass that FRP lock quickly and with minimal fuss. It supports a wide range of devices from Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Huawei, and more. So, you are not limited to just one brand. The process they show on screen is fairly straightforward. Select the Remove Google FRP Lock tool, connect your phone, and follow the guided steps right inside the software. For many Android models, Dr.Fone can walk you through this without needing a deep technical background. That's a major plus for everyday users. But Dr.Fone isn't just about unlocking. Let's talk about data recovery. And honestly, this is where a lot of users will be drawn in. Have you ever lost previous photos, WhatsApp chats, or important messages? Dr.Fone promises to recover deleted files from both Android and iOS devices. You select what type of data you want to recover. Let the software scan the device and then choose what you want to restore. Again, it's simple and intuitive. No complex menus or confusing terms. Now, moving on to another big toolbox in this suite: system repair. Whether it's a phone stuck in boot loop or apps crashing constantly, Dr.Fone system repair tools claim to fix those issues without needing iTunes or Android recovery tools. This part of software scans for software errors and attempts to bring your device back to normal. And then there's data transfer and backups. Dr.Fone can help you move files between Android and iPhone, including photos, contacts, videos, and WhatsApp chats. A lifesaver if you're switching phones and don't want to lose anything. There's also robust backup and restore functionality that makes keeping your data safe much easier than juggling cloud services manually. So, what's the bottom line? Dr.Fone isn't just a single tool. It's a comprehensive suite that tries to solve multiple mobile problems under one roof. If you're someone who frequently deals with locked phones, lost data, system glitches, or just wants a single app to manage backups and transfers, Dr.Fone can be seriously useful addition to your digital toolbox. The interface is beginner friendly, it supports a wide range of devices, and you don't need to be a tech expert to use most of the main features. So, if your phone is giving you trouble and you want an all-in-one solution, just click the link in the description or search Dr.Fone on Google and check it out for yourself. So, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up drop a comment if you have ever used Dr.Fone yourself, and consider subscribing for more honest tech backgrounds. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.